What's up, everybody? So sorry I haven't posted anything in a while. I'm going to run through a couple things with you guys right now about a little bit of update of one, the Ironman suit. So for the suit, I have painted everything. Everything's done being painted. I used Sharpie oil-based paint marker, this one right here, for the white marks, and then for the chrome or silver parts, I used it's kind of a paint. It's called Rub and Buff. I'll put it in the description, but it is very permanent. So if you're gonna use it, wear gloves. Make sure you don't want to have it get on something like the table or a carpet, wherever you're doing it. Without further ado, I'm going to show you the suit. I still have it in pieces. It's all over the floor. The only thing that I need to mount now is the actual motherboard, the Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi board, I think it was called, and that Adafruit 16 servo channel thing. I just got to mount that in the suit, and then that's it. I started doing some of the lights. I don't have any hands yet for the suit. I didn't print it or paint it, so I have to work on that. But this is the suit. So this is one of the arms. Like I said, all this white, I used the Sharpie. All the silver pieces like there and there, I used that stuff right there, the Rub and Buff. So both of the arms are done. Those are the shoes. This is the head, shoulders, chest. Like I said, I mounted some of the stuff. I mounted the arc reactor, I did the eyes in here, and then that's the base. So leg, bottom half of my chest, that's on there. And for the actual suit portion, all I used for the arc reactor, I used RGB strips. I used the RGB strip for that, and then the normal LED eyes for this. Even though I'm not going to be able to see through these because this helmet sits far away from my face, which basically what it looks like when I'm wearing it, that's what I'm going to be able to see, exactly that. So it's so far I can't see anything. So what I plan on doing is maybe putting a camera either on the face, or I think I'm gonna do it in the chest. I'll do like a little hole with a camera to put a screen inside here so I can be able to see everything. I did mount everything on the inside here. I'll go through the arm so you can kind of see everything. So this is the battery pack. I velcroed it right there. And then I can just take the tape off, slide this off to replace the batteries. Then I can just go over, Velcro it back on. Then this, like I said, I hollowed this out and I put RGB strip in there to light this up, and then normal LED eyes. So I'll turn these lights on so you guys can see what it looks like. And like I said, because I can't wear this, it's gonna be sitting probably this far away from my face. So it doesn't really matter if I do wires neat or where I'm going to mount that box. I did the same thing, Velcro on the back of that, taped it shut so it doesn't slide. But that's the arc on. And I didn't think of this till yesterday. I don't have a means to connect the helmet to the suit. Right now I just sit it inside of it. So I do have to work on that a little bit. But that's what it looks like so far. And then obviously the arms, everything is done. The only thing I need to do is for this part where the servos are back there. I don't know if you guys can see it. I need to wire that up to the actual control board. And then that's it. The whole suit will be done. Still thinking about if I want to 3D print hands or just use my normal hands. I might put like a bar across here so I can hold on to or something. Not 100% sure.